Hey, this is H1. We're going to be running it back with another episode talking about chess knowledge, chess wisdom, and chess understanding. And today I got a game for you. It's Magnus Carlsen against Hikaru Nakamura at the Magnus Carlsen Invitational in 2021. A lot of people wanted me to go over this game, and so this is that video. Let's continue. Yeah, let's get started. Magnus Carlsen was the white pieces and Hikaru Nakamura was the black pieces. After Magnus Carlsen played e4, Hikaru Nakamura played e5, continue on to a normal game. They might have played the Berlin, the Roy Lopez, some Italian game. You know, a lot of moves can go off from here, even the Petrov. But Magnus Carlsen, in the style that he plays, he always wants to go into like a different sideline than other Grandmasters. He tries to avoid main lines as much as possible. So Magnus Carlsen decided to play King E2. Now, when you look at the move King E2, you might be thinking that is like the worst move that any player can be playing right now, especially in this high-level tournament, which you can look up in the Magnus Carlsen Invitational. But maybe Magnus Carlsen was thinking 20 moves ahead of Hikaru Nakamura. Think about it for a second. You're getting out of Hikaru Nakamura's preparation, and plus two, you move the king, which can be advantageous in the end game since you want this king to be in the center once all the pieces are traded off. But Hikaru Nakamura was thinking 40 moves ahead of Magnus Carlsen at this moment because he decided to play the move King E7. After King E7 was played, that shocked Magnus Carlsen to the point of where he tried to put the king back. It was like, no, I don't want to play this anymore. And then Hikaru Nakamura was surprised at King E1, and they was kind of like tricking each other. They was pretty confused about what was going on in this situation, and especially since this was online. This was an online tournament, not in person. So this opening have never been played in person before over the chessboard, but it has been played online. Hikaru Nakamura decided to play the move King E8, which is kind of like questioning, I was questioning what was Hikaru Nakamura doing, since he could have played D5, Knight C6, Knight F6, and definitely took advantage of this position and got a free win in this tournament. But Magnus Carlsen decided to play King E2 again to kind of reconfirm, hey, maybe I want to do this now. I don't know. I got some preparation, but I'm trying to save it for the World Chess Championship, which, you know, this was back in 2021, so we're never going to see this Bongcloud ever play in the World Chess Championship. This could have been played. This could have been a great sideline for Magnus Carlsen. And so Hikaru Nakamura decided to play King E7 one more time, and then King E1. And let me just make sure that that is... wait a minute. I think they played it one more time. King E2, King E7, King E1. And then this became threefold repetition. Once the position had been played out and nothing had been taken or moved, and it's the exact same position, then that indicates that it's a draw, okay? That's a draw position. A different form of draw, threefold repetition. But yeah, no draw have ever been played like this before, especially in the second move that they repeated moves. So this was a lot of strategic type of mental... Man, I can't play anymore. Let's continue on to the next video.